Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai vehicle. If you guys have a Hyundai vehicle, you want to know which wheel bearing is bad, left or right, because you have noise coming from a wheel bearing. Stay with us and we'll explain how you can test that in different ways. Make sure to stay until the end. One of them, you don't even have to take anything apart and you can do that while you're driving. So all that will be covered in this video today. Even though we'll demonstrate on a Hyundai Sonata, it will be helpful on practically any Hyundai model, and some of those could be Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Hyundai Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So we guys have that Hyundai Sonata that we took the wheel bearing off, and we want to guys, okay, the wheel bearing assembly is out. We want to show you a few things now, okay, and how to suspect which one is bad, left or right. This is the hub. This is the hub on this side. The bearing is integrated in the hub. If you guys want to see how to replace the bearing without a press, okay, just with a hammer practically and a few sockets, we have a special video that explains how to do that. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. If not, check it out on our channel, how to replace wheel bearing without a press. Pretty popular video guys. So now let's explain, okay, how you can suspect you have a bad wheel bearing. You probably know you have a wheel bearing noise humming or growling noise coming, and it increases with speed. The faster you go, okay, the louder it gets. But how do you tell if it's left or right? Number one, you can jack the vehicle up, remove the tire, okay, grab the hub and try to spin it. If it spins nice and smooth guys, it's not choppy, okay, then it's a good bearing. Another thing, you can jack the vehicle up, you can spin the hub or the wheel, grab the spring and listen, okay, feel vibrations. If you feel vibrations on the spring, you have a bad bearing. Number three guys, you can do it without taking anything apart. Without jacking the vehicle up, you can do it while driving. Let's say you're driving down the road, okay, and you hear the bearing noise. Okay, at that point, what you can do, but be safe, don't get in an accident, you can turn slightly to the left or to the right, and when you do that in one direction, the wheel bearing noise will almost disappear, and in the other direction it will be louder. Let's say you have a wheel bearing noise, you turn to the left, okay, and the noise gets louder, but then you turn to the right and the noise gets quieter. Okay, what that means? It means that you have a right wheel bearing that's bad. Why? Because when you turn to the right, the weight of the vehicle will be transferred to the left side of the vehicle. You will have more pressure on the left side and you will have less pressure on the right side. So that means that this wheel bearing will not have to work so hard, and as a result the noise will almost disappear. And it's the other way around. If you turn to the left and the noise is gone, most likely you have a bad wheel bearing on the left side. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.